Good morning fam, how are you doing? Welcome to my Fitness Friday. Today is Friday and I'm gonna show you my Friday workout. Usually on Fridays I do a dance workout, which is definitely working all my body. If not a dance workout, I do a total body workout. So on this mat here, I'm gonna do a total body workout. The kind of thing that we're going to do today, of course we're not going to do warm up. I think we've warmed up enough like the entire week. But it's usually good to do warm up, so maybe I'll do a little bit of stretches. I hope you have the obvious. I mean, just you need water and your yoga mat. So let's get into this. We'll start with some warm up. Just a few stretches.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
So that's going to be it for me today. Like for stretches, we're just gonna go straight into the workout. Let's get started.
Every day we escape losing all of our faith. We can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me. Every day I feel time slipping, passing, skipping by. All the words I could say just can't really seem to stay. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me. Give myself another branches to the ground. So take away what's left of me. Blinded by the ones I lost, connecting lines of which we crossed, which we crossed. Dropped off the scene outside, wishing to have one more fight left in me. The life I see, what's left in me. Burning bridges to the ground. Take away what's left of me. Burning branches to the ground.
Oh my good people, the struggle is real, right? So we'll have a water break because we're on the 8th workout, and then we proceed.
Just walk right out the door. Don't wanna do this anymore. Now I'm lost without you. You drive me crazy out my mind. how'd you do this every time? Now I'm lost without you. Used to be the one I talk to when I'm sad. Can't you see now tainted love is all we have? Our issues run so deep, now when I try to sleep I feel so bad. I should leave and by the time it's done I'll be
So that's it for today. Yes, that's it for our Friday workout. But before we completely end it, you really do need some stretches, and I also need them as well. So let's just do the stretches quickly and then we can call it a day. I mean, a workout.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us.
So that's it for today's workout. I hope you're working out with me from whichever place you are. And if you watched this and liked it, kindly thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please press that button. And until next week on Friday, keep drinking your water. Take a lot of this because you need that water. You need that water.